nasasaktan na yung tenga ko.
Alam nyo,
Mr. President, point of order.
What's the point of order?
I charge this private prosecutor with complaint of this impeachment court. I have the evidence right here, taken in a video by Senator Alan Cayetano. And to say, nasasaktan ng tenga ko should have been cause for you to walk out of this courtroom with permission of the court. But you cannot make those contemptuous gestures in front of a judge and get away with it. I submit, Mr. President, that this should be taken up.
To be fair, I'll give the counsel a chance to explain himself.
Fact, Your Honor, please, that this is the first time that I experience in my 40 years of practice na ang isang judge ay nagle-lecture sa mga abogado. Hindi po ata tama yung mga ganun eh.
bakit hindi ho kayo tumayo nung nagsasalita si Senadora Miriam para mag-object?
Wala po akong karapatang mag-object sapagkat kailangan pong i-recognize muna ako ng kagalang-galang na impeachment court nito upang masabi ko kung anong nasasaloob ko. Pero nang nandito na po ako ngayon, di sasabihin ko po ang nasasaloob ko.
Alright.
Mr. President, I reiterate my motion to cite for contempt by the impeachment court, not by me, but by the impeachment court. Imagine if all the lawyers did that in front of the impeachment court, if one of the senator judges took the forum to express his opinion. Kasi salungat sa gusto mo, kaya ayaw mo pakinggan. Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, di umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako eh, kaya lang...
Granted, that is in the form of motion. Go ahead, nangahamon ka.
Aalis na po ako.
Dito ako nakaupo eh. Kaganyan ka sa akin.
Dapat respetuhin mo doon itong mga
Mr.
abogadong
President.
ito kapagkat yung human dignity wala pong
Now
katulad
he's
dyan.
lecturing me.
Trial suspended for several minutes.